What's up, everyone? Anyone there? What's up, Farhan? A little sick today, but we gotta do a lot of reviews. I forgot to cover some very important cryptocurrencies yesterday. Ethereum, Bitcoin. Yep. Yeah, it is. What's up, people? Hope it's a little bit earlier in the US today. Hi there, Gerard. Thank you very much. Are you related to Chris Dunn? Same last name. Yeah, we will. We will cover some Civic. Yo, Bruce. We'll give it another 1-2 minutes more to let the chat populate a little bit. 9 p.m. in New York. Very nice, very nice. Okay, not too late. I think Civic has a lot going for it. Yes, it is a little bit of an identity platform, security platform. Nice, 546 in LA. Very nice. I had quite a bit of stuff that I forgot to cover yesterday, guys, so that's why I'm on again today. What's up, Karan? Luis Torres, Qtum. Yep, Qtum is big. Okay, folks, 54 people watching. I think we can start. Okay, so just a quick market roundup. Of course, news-wise, we have the China ICO scare. All right, so what does it mean for ICOs in China? Basically, as long as you are a registered company in China, all right, obviously you are going to have problems raising money via ICOs. Now, also when it comes down to promoting ICOs in China, the Chinese government will clamp that project down or prevent you from marketing in China. Okay, but in terms of the rest of the world, it is still possible. Okay, it is still very much possible for people in China to invest in ICOs. It's not. I think you can still do a VPN or something like that. But rest assured, projects that are run by Chinese, okay, Chinese, they're usually in other countries. They're registered in other countries, maybe Switzerland, Singapore, Dubai, or whatever. So as of now, Singapore doesn't have such. It is not clamping down that heavily on the ICO scene. But I'm very certain that the people at Access are doing their best to make sure that the regulatory they will comply to the regulatory frameworks, because I think Singapore has a lot of potential in terms of the ICO scene. We are also a little bit slow in terms of picking up in terms of cryptocurrency. So maybe in terms of the retail market is not that rampant compared to maybe countries like India, the US, China, of course, right? So it is. Yeah, it is illegal, but people still do it. It's a very large country, and also that being said, we are in a space where it's still the Wild West. Okay, so that being said, if you all thought that when the news came out, oh, all the China coins like Neo, well, they did all take a hit simultaneously. If you notice, Neo actually came down quite significantly. I think below $30. There was a huge sell order that came in last night. Then of course you have Quantum doing very well. Of course, it took a hit early part as well, right? So I think all in all, technical from a fundamental wise, everything is still fine. But yes, regulations can come and screw up the whole show. Okay, that's for sure. So okay, that being said, let's go into the various yeah, Telegram is still on. You can join the Telegram. I think it's in the description. I hope I put it there. Okay, so I hope you all can see me. I'm wearing black today, so it's not that like the best color, but you know, I'm here to deliver the signals and stuff like that. So anyway, as you know, I do run a signals group. It's already currently full for September. I thank you guys so much for the overwhelming response. We opened up 50 slots. I think 30 slots to YouTube, 50 slots to Telegram, and of course the rest are existing members. The retention rate is very good, very strong. We did very well, even though we started in July, which was the worst month to start a signals group, right? As we all know, in July we had the hard fork, and then the Bitcoin prices tanked, everything was dying. Yeah, it's very tough, I would say, but you know, we came out profitable at the end of the month. I really don't know how. I guess it was just pure hard work, just helping the members recoup the losses, and here we are now. Some of the members have had 50% returns, 150% the last I heard. So yeah, I mean, you know, these are the things. It's just hard work, guys. There's no magic. Yes, Ariel, finally you caught me live. I saw you yesterday comment. Very very cute little animal with the 3 balloons. Okay. I mean the sound of Telegram. Yeah, it is still on. Oh man, I have no idea. I actually off the notifications, guys. I'm not sure where you're still hearing the sounds from the man. Okay, I have no idea where is it coming from, because I already turned off my Discord notification, and I turned off my my Telegram notification. So yeah. Okay, so anyway, I want to cover Ethereum first before I forget. Okay, everything else let's hold first. So Ethereum, let's look at the 1 day. Okay, so Ethereum has had an astronomical run. Okay, first I did draw. Initially I drew I did draw a breakout here. Okay, and it failed. Like, it failed for a while. Okay, so so you see, okay, so it was supposed to do a breakout here. That failed. All right, then this happened, right? So I was, of course, already pro Ethereum. I haven't spoken about Ethereum in a long time, but I was very pro Ethereum after the dip, okay? Because there were a lot of people who bought around here, okay, around this level, 300 to about here, right? This whole region, the FOMO kicked in. I didn't buy anything, right? But when it dipped here, okay, everyone was saying, oh shit, it's gonna go like, and it even had this very sharp sell down here. Okay, this was $134 Ethereum. This is on which exchange am I at? This is on Kraken, guys. Okay, so after that, of course, all this accumulation happened, and then now we have this very nice bull run happening on Ethereum, and yeah, it looks poised to reach the all-time high very very soon. So yeah, I did, Jake. I did, right? I did. So this was in Jake is obviously in our Discord chat, right? And I was giving very very strong signals, because I don't dare to give strong signals on YouTube, because it doesn't make sense, right? There will be a lot of questions, a lot of doubt. People may be watching me for the very first time. People don't know my style. People may think I'm shilling. So naturally, I would not do something like that on YouTube. But in my Discord chat, for sure, right? Because, and I did that exactly for Bitcoin. Okay, so now what's your take? Should you still buy into Ethereum? Look, Ethereum has it's already poised to launch Metropolis in potentially October. So if you feel that, okay, right now is a good time to get in, you can, but it's very high risk. So I would prefer to give you guys a level. So let's draw the Fibonacci's first, and then from then you decide whether or not you would like to pick up some Ethereum. Okay, now I need to go to the doctor, guys. I am sick. Okay, so for now, right, you have all these Fibonacci levels. Okay, you have all these Fibonacci levels. It's on a bull run, my friends. You know, there's nothing I can really say that is going to, okay, the best, if by some miracle you get a pullback, you get a pullback to $320. I don't know how, but if you see a pullback to $320, you need to just get in, okay? $320, just get in. Yes, Tashi, you are definitely there as well. Oh yeah, Rudy did throw a fit. The reason why one of the members threw a fit was because I didn't justify why buy Bitcoin at 2004. You know, I just said buy Bitcoin because I started to see the shift in terms of the voting, right? I still remember. I saw the shift in voting was 60%. It wasn't even confirmed yet, but I said by the time it confirms, the price is gonna boom. So I said just buy at 2,400. I did do that as well. Okay, so anyway, just take note. Ethereum, US dollars, will be at 320. Okay, now for those folks who are in Bitcoin, okay, Ethereum BTC. Let's do Bitfinex. See whether okay, because BTC is very strong now. Okay, to enter Ethereum, you have to be a little bit more cautious. So 75 is 0.0075 is really very low, but you know what, if Bitcoin has a nice strength to it, you can get in. So okay, so 0.075 to 0.078, yeah, that is that range for you for ETH BTC. Okay, 0.075 to 0.0778, that would be the range that you can pick it up. Seems to have a top at 400. Yeah, you're gonna have like a shitload of resistance, because don't forget you have yeah, Crypto Chris. You see, there are people who got stuck at the high, man. They have, okay, here's the psychology. I have been holding Ethereum for the longest time since I bought at the all-time high. I'm very happy to just get my principal back, and not only that, I don't mind exiting with a small profit. So you're definitely gonna see resistance at the 375, 380 region. I've already I think I marked it there already. 375, 380 region for Ethereum. That's where the wall is gonna be there. Can you show why? Okay. Okay, wait. Mine was on BitTrax. Where did it go? Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, so, oh man, did it click my level? Okay, wait. Okay, so here is, let me just draw the resistance, the line first. Okay. So, let me just draw another Fips. Okay, wait, sorry. Okay, because a large part of okay, now I remember. Okay, a large part of the candles, right? As you can see, the candles here, actually it crossed the level that I was intending to already. Like, you know, it was at 362. It already broke, because you see a large part of all these candles here, this would be your resistance, guys. At least your first initial all-time high resistance. Okay, but it broke that clearly, so it's gonna go higher. All right, and for those who are having okay, for basically for those who are wanting to pick up Ethereum right now, okay, usually the last resistance would be your support. Does that make sense? The last resistance will now currently be your new support level, and it has to hold. So I usually look at 1 day, 4 hours, 4 hours, 1 hour. That's where I look at. So if you're intending to pick up Ethereum, right, a few levels would be necessary. So okay, the Fibonacci's for this don't really line up fantastically, but okay, we have one level here which is below 300, which also I mentioned get Ethereum at 300. You know, I was very strong in terms of getting Ethereum at 300. Anytime that you dip below 300, I said go ahead, please buy, right? So that's one level. Now the current resistance, right, or at least the current support should be at 361. So those who are more aggressive can probably enter Ethereum at around this price, 361, and it has to hold. Okay. Okay, so let's move on. Let us move on to BTC. Okay, so for folks who are interested in BTC, well, not, you know, BTC is just always going up, right? It's always achieving a new all-time high, a new all-time high, a new all-time high, and it gets very, you know, I guess, okay, so here's the thing. Always have a portion of your cryptocurrencies in Bitcoin, because your portfolio, after all, is in Bitcoin, right? You should want to cash out into Bitcoin because that's the long-term play. So there are folks who, of course, watch my USD Tether video. That's if you anticipate and you feel that Bitcoin is going to take a tank, right? If Bitcoin is going to take a tank and you're not willing to hold Bitcoin, then USD Tether will apply. Fair enough? Okay, so support levels, buy walls, is there a good book for dummies to get a base of understanding? I'm sure there is, Gerard. It's just that I've been doing this since like 10 years ago. So I didn't, okay, I don't have a book because I was trained when I was a banker. So yeah, it's something where you got to go and research. Just, I think any book, it's a very basic thing, right? Fibonacci levels, Fibonacci retracement levels. You have just understanding support and resistance. You understand your stochastic RSI. That's basically the closing price of the last how many trading sessions you like. The more data you have, say if you want to do 20 sessions, the better, right? But I usually do about I think 16 sessions, the last 16 sessions, right? So those are the things that I do. Another thing is another indicator would be the EMA, right, where you see the moving averages cross each other. Okay, do you believe BTC will dip? Well, Marcelo, BTC will always have people taking profit every time. Whenever someone buys up, or at least say for example, folks, imagine you bought here. Okay, say for example you bought here. I hope you can see the chart. You bought around, okay, let's be more specific. Swiping 24. Okay, so between here 21 to 26. Okay, let's say this is the whole, yeah, see, June, July, yeah, okay, this was when the signals group started, and then this happened, right? Those who were in the signals group were like, God help me, I'm dying, my old portfolio is dying. So it was damn funny, man. So this happened, see, but when you look at it in perspective, it's like nothing, isn't it? Look at it, right? Hard fork happened. What was this? 1,822, the low, right? Then after that, recovery, which I knew was gonna happen, right? So 2,000, heavy sell down. 2,000, a while, boom, back up to around this price. This was almost close to the miners agreeing on Segwit 2x. I still remember because I was questioned a lot about it. Then I asked people to buy. Oh man, I asked people to buy at 2.7, man. Not even at 2004. I asked people to buy at 2007. But I did get people in at 2004 as well, and 2000. Then after that, this happened. So now, your best bet for you to get in your Bitcoin, if you only want to accumulate Bitcoin, people, is 4,200. That is your lucky chance. The next one is getting in at 4,004. Okay? Sorry to say this, if you're very new, 4,004. Okay? I bought ETC as you said at price 18 4 weeks ago, and what do you think should I have to do? Hold or sell? Aha. Yes, Sandrock. You getting it at $18 ETC. As you can see, ETC prices are of course currently at slightly below $16. Okay, let's go to ETC. Just for you, my friend. I will tell you the play that I gave everyone. That's why being in the signals group is very important, right? I really switched the momentum up. I had a bag of ETC. I switched everything to QTEM when it was $13 to $14. ETC was dipping. This is ETC, okay? ETC was dipping, dip. Just continue to dip. Now at least there's some kind of consolidation happening, which was actually, well, previously before the peak. So, to answer your question, you can do two things. You either hold your ETC, okay, and fundamentally pray that they take a turn. And because for you now, you can do another thing. You can swap to OMG. You can do that, okay? Because you're gonna get more OMG for the amount of ETC that you have. Okay, my plan, listen, my plan was ETC to QTEM exactly when it was close to 1-to-1. That was when it was 0.3435. That was when QTEM was 0.003435 as well. Anyone who is in my signals group can validate, because I knew that everyone was following me on ETC. So I had to rectify the solution, the problem. So when I understood that QTEM had a stronger fundamental, a stronger team, and having more momentum, I made the call very early. I think I was 1 week early. So when it happened, 13th of August was my very first trade. I entered QTEM at 0.0037777, something like that. That was my very first order. After that, subsequently, I bought QTEM at many different price points all the way until 0.0026, which was also one of the lows. So I have like 10 orders, guys. So with that being said, yeah, QTEM is doing well. What more can I say? So it was a power play. So for you who are holding ETC, please go ahead and you can hold because it's already starting to consolidate. No point doing a swap, or you can swap to OMG. Because ETC is not a proof of stake coin. They have no intention. They may change their monetary policy to 230 million, but they are not going to change the proof of stake they are not going to immediately switch to it. The only excitement is your Emerald wallet coming out in full, proper API integration. Hopefully they have a mobile app. Now China, on the other hand, anything that is China, they understand mobile apps. Mobile apps or mobile wallets allow people to move on the go and transfer coins. Okay, they don't want to use the central bank, right? Because if their currency is depreciating, they want to have something else to hold on to. Okay, so this is it. Now, let's go to what did I want to cover? Oh, OMG, yes. Okay, so OMG has been perfect, guys. If you watched my stream yesterday, I drew a very nice bullish pennant. Did I not? Right? At this level. I will draw it once more. You can go and refer to my stream. That's why now I want to do as much daily as possible. Right? If I can. So there's always a review. See? I did exactly this. For once, I get my bullish pennant correct. And it was spot on. So people who bought, like yesterday, are able to benefit from this call. Of course, it's not fantastic, right? It's only 0.00214. But OMG is a long-term hold for me in particular. Very nice, healthy volume. Now the eyes are on QTEM. So for a start, you just have to make sure that you gotta accumulate your QTEM gradually, your OMG gradually. So if you're in BTC, currently now QTEM is slightly okay. QTEM has not taken off, but it's more on the breakout side already. So you might want to wait a little bit and then come in. Anything new coming up for ETC? No, Sunrock. You can go and check out their Twitter. You can also check out their GitHub, right? Anything that is there. All right, the community, like, okay, look, the market will want to move to wherever it wants to move. Okay, I don't control that, right? At the end of the day, if people find that there is, yeah, bought OMG yesterday, thank you very much for the validation. Higher level IQ level question: fundamental analysis versus technical trading. How much luck is involved in both, do you reckon? Okay, I am more of a fundamentalist. I can't go into a trade purely on technicals. That's me, right? But if you are a trader, technicals is what you are solely depending on. The homework is around the technicals. In fact, it's more or less the same percentage when it comes to for me as an investor. Like, why Qtum? Okay, I think I covered that yesterday, but very quickly. Qtum will integrate the Bitcoin blockchain together with the Ethereum virtual machine, and it's forming an adapter. Now, once it successfully does do that, okay, so it's something like ARC, but the technology is a little bit different. So imagine that there are going to be other virtual machines going forward, right? That means you can have many smart contracts functioning very well together with the Bitcoin blockchain, right? Because Bitcoin blockchain is just purely for storing and sending storing data on the blockchain and transferring it, right? That's the purpose. Smart contracts, on the other hand, serve a whole different level, meaning that you can create dApps, right? Decentralized applications, and you can and you also can create smart contracts, right? Decentralized contracts where everything is validated on the network. Now, when these two things are combined, okay, that's when it gets very exciting. Because from a technical perspective, I cannot explain that to you because I am not a programmer. So I don't want to like pretend like I know, but I'm excited for the fact that I research into the team. I research into the investors behind the team, the backers and the advisors. Now, advisors may not have their money in, okay? Just so you know, when you see advisors, doesn't mean that they're investing. They are having a vested interest in the company, maybe for example tokens, right? But it doesn't mean that they put their money. So investors and backers are the name that you categorize yourself in from a fundamental perspective. Backers, right? That means they have money in the project. Then advisors may or may not have money in there because they are helping advise on that project. So please be very, very careful when you do your research. Then of course you have to go and check out the profiles of the various developers. Okay, so that is what I can say. What OMG levels are good? So I hope just now the question just now was by Sylvan Meslin. Yeah. Okay, why Qtum? Yeah, so I've already answered that, Kelvin. Is Coinbase still the best to buy Bitcoin for sending to an exchange? Oh man, I have not used Coinbase in a long time. Multiman 40. What levels would you look at for OMG buy levels now? Okay, let's see. Oh man. Okay. Okay, I am going to give a very generic blanket answer because don't forget, right, that right now it already broke the all-time high. You know, it already broke the all-time high, so there's no way I can give you a proper level. So like I said, the resistance has turned to support. So now if you want to re-enter for OMG, I would say 0.00019942. That would be my level. Okay, that would be my level for you if you're looking to enter OMG. That's your good chance that maybe those sharp sell downs and you might get it, or you can just pick it up because it's a long-term hold. Okay, let's see now. Do you think, okay, Michael Joseph, do you think that there's still potential for 1,000 times gains from coins, or do you think that they are pricing ICOs higher these days? Okay, yes, they are pricing ICOs higher these days. Okay, because I think look, as a credible project, I want to raise enough money. I shouldn't go overboard. So see, now this is the question, right? How high is too high, or how much is too much? This is the part where the budgeting team has to come together and discuss. Now, Qtum raised 15 million. 15 million for a span of 3 to 5 years is really not a lot of money, okay? Just so you know, because they have a team of 30 over developers. And of course, naturally, you know, when you raise money, the initial investors will probably have a lock-in period of 3 to 6 months. Okay, this is whether or not it's there in the print, I do not know. I have to go and research that. But yes, there are times that people do dump their coins. People do dump their coins almost immediately. Those are the shit projects. You shouldn't even touch that, right? But those that are having full frontal transparency, usually you can kind of trust them a little bit more. But at the end of the day, the market decides whether or not it's going to be popular or not. Okay, so so to answer the question whether there's going to be 1,000 time gains, of course. Okay, of course. But you know what? When you see 1,000 times gains, it's very rarely that particular cryptocurrency has enough liquidity for big players. Usually, they would have already been parked in gradually. Okay, you will see the volume gradually seep in. They're trying to get their orders filled. And then after that, suddenly there will be a very strong, someone will buy up the whole freaking order book to create that FOMO and get it noticed on a major exchange. After that, the rest of the newbies will start coming in and buying up higher. That's when the whale will dump, or the syndicate or whatever will dump. It's the only way, it's the oldest trick in the book. It will always be the same damn thing over and over again. Hey Ryan, David Orloff. Hey Ryan, I have a personal investment question. I currently have 5% of my investments in crypto. Is now a good time to put another 5% oops, shucks. Oh wait, I lost the question. Is now a good time to put another 5% into crypto using some of your calls? David, my calls are always based on fundamentals, right? So if you believe that my calls are solid and the levels have been provided in this video, yes, by all means, 5% is fine, right? Because I think having investing 10%, in fact up to 10%, 5 to 10% of your overall income or savings into crypto, 5% is fine, because the rest should be in the traditional markets that have been proven themselves over and over again. So if you're holding some nice stocks that are paying you dividends, dividend stocks or growth stocks, yeah, the market is still kind of okay. But I think with the recent North Korea shooting a missile across Tokyo or something like that, I think it's affecting the stock markets a little bit. Gold prices actually went up. So have some gold. So how I advocate my guys in my chat, whenever there are profits at the end of the month, which is now, and those profits that they make in crypto, make sure they are they can buy some assets outside of the cryptocurrency space, because you never know, right? Whether this cryptocurrency market is gonna tank like what it did in July. Okay, we never know. The only one that kind of is certain at the moment is Bitcoin, but Bitcoin is parabolic. So buying Bitcoin now, you know, it's a painful thing, right? But we gotta do it. We gotta do it. Okay. What would you recommend? Obviously, you have a heap of BTC. If you have a heap of BTC, right, pick the altcoins that have healthy volumes. I would say 1,000 BTC and above for a X number of days, not just one day, but it must be consistently above 1,000 BTC. That is the kind of thing that I kind of look at least 1,000 BTC. If it's like struggling like 500 BTC and below, and you pick it up, your order can't really fill up fast, then you know that there's some issues with the liquidity, right? The money is moving out. Okay. Now, next question. What would you... Okay, wait. Esther Divovic. If I am deciding between buying EOS, Ripple, Dash, or IOTA, which one should I get? Okay, EOS is a very long project. It doesn't seem to have much momentum with the recent... I think Bitfinex, right, is stopping US accounts. So there was a huge dump there. EOS, I would say maybe you can buy because of Dan Lemire. Ripple, Dash, and IOTA. I would rank IOTA first, followed by Dash. IOTA first and followed by Dash, but Dash is too hot now. Let's see IOTA before I make that comment. Let's check out IOTA. IoT. Wait. Aha. Okay. So IOTA has taken a nice dip now. So what you can do is wait. Okay, so you see this candle here means that at least there's some slowdown from the bears, right? The bears are not selling down heavily already, but you never know. So allow it to form a consolidation period first, like this, before picking it up. Okay? So now, if you want a level, then I guess Fibonacci would be the best way to okay, so if this is based on the 1 day. Okay, so it kind of like is at the 0.3382 Fibonacci level, so it's 0.00017623. But you see the wick actually sold down here. So maybe you want to set the level at 0.00015769. Now this, however, is a crucial level. Can you see? Can you see this? 0.6 the 0.618 Satoshi Fibonacci level is always significant. Can you see this bullish pennant flag here? Can you see this? And then a breakout? Yeah, see? So it's a crucial level. See? So it broke. So, however, IOTA is taking a hit now. So you can set. So 0.00013916, 0.00015769, and 0.00017623. These are your levels. Depending on how aggressive you are, enter at your own risk. What about Bitcoin Cash, hold or sell and enter QTEM? Now, it depends on when you bought. If you have Bitcoin Cash since the hard fork, then you can sell a little bit because you're obviously in the money and buy some QTEM. Yeah, because currently now QTEM is at a recommended price of 0.00038 to 0.00034. 40. Man, sorry. These bloody decimal places are really fucking my thoughts. So 0.0038 to 0.004 is a nice place to accumulate QTEM if you are still interested. What do you think of Neo? Man, Neo's life is getting drained. That's all I can say. Right? Neo is getting drained. What do you think about VTC and Musicoin? Sorry, I have no opinion about VTC and Musicoin because I don't cover those. I don't have any coverage on that because if I don't hear it in the wins from my research team or the group, I ain't researching on it. Please review Neo. Yeah, okay. I will give Neo a proper review. I can't do it today, but I will do it another time. Ryan, being in Singapore, is CoinHako still good to buy BTC or is there something more competitive? There are always other exchanges that you can use. But however, CoinHako seems to be the most reliable for now. And yeah, I do use that. I mean, there is Luno, but you know, but I don't use Luno because I don't like the fact that it takes a long time to get the money in and they take a long time to transfer your Bitcoins out. They will stop your Bitcoin, your sending of your Bitcoins out by 24 hours. It's fucked up. I don't like it. If they change their policy, maybe I'll come back to them. Bytem could times 10 potentially, I think. I don't know, man. So wait for more consolidation on OMG. Yes, that is right. Before I buy. What do you mean with dream? Huh? Bytecoin, please. Wow. Bytecoin. Ugh. BCN. Oh man, okay, the volume is shit, that's for sure. 630 million 630 million. Wait, is this correct? This is the 24-hour volume. Wait, let me check. What is this? Bitcoin. Ooh. BCN. Okay. Okay, so on the total is 5.5 million with a 3. Wait, let's see the individual markets. So I assume you're trading on Poloniex. 2.7 million. Small trades, yes. Yeah, small trades, I guess it's starting to turn, right? So if it's starting to turn, I guess you can put in a little bit, hope for 15 to 20%. No news, no roadmap, no momentum, no go. Qterm, yeah, you can look at the level I just gave. 0.00. Okay. You know what? Yeah, there you go. Okay. Do you think List is still overbought? Meh. List, right, was something that I gave a call at $2.50, I think, if I remember correctly. Let me see. Let's see List. The rebranding and everything is over, so that's why it sold down, right? But at least it's still at a higher price. It's at a new higher price and still a kind of okay volume. It's like not bad. Like on Bittrex, still very healthy, right? 15 million market cap to, okay, market cap to volume wise, it's still quite okay, quite healthy. But okay, let's look at the level then. Okay, let's not think too let's not like hodl there too long. Okay, as you can see, right? Wow, excitement, boom. Okay, now it's consolidating. Please don't touch it. Okay, please do not touch it. Like, don't. Okay, do not touch it. All right, crypto node. Woohoo! In at 0.00277. Good job, my friend. Yes, Qterm is at that level right now. Always pick up at the consolidation phase. 0.0038 is okay, right? Okay, now if you are picking up Qterm now, you are anticipating mid to end September for your Qterm fruits to bear. Okay, because this run up for Qterm was due to Coin One listing. There can be news of Qterm Enterprise Alliance announcements. I do not know when they'll do that. Now, the Qterm Enterprise Alliance announcement is basically not me, but what I read is that they do have a group of Chinese companies who are supporting the blockchain. So it's gonna be fucking exciting. ARK is already to the moon. All right, if you didn't buy at 99 cents and $1, too bad, because it's already to the moon. Same thing if we look at ARK. That fella has already flown because it's a POS coin. I'm not sure. I guess the swing of momentum. Okay, so this was the level. Boom. Let's hope that there's some consolidation for you to get in. I will see the momentum, guys. For what you call it, for Qterm, I will just hold until I see good progress, right? Because they are just they just have so many angles of attack, right? They have so many angles of attack that it is good that you keep Qterm until they really literally bear fruit. Beware of Bitcoin. They did not deliver my tokens and cheated me knowingly even after I informed them of my faulty wallet. Oh man, so sorry to hear that. Stay away from Bitcoin unless you want to get cheated. Okay. Okay. I understand OMG is long term. What about Qterm? Same. Qterm is long term too. The reason why you're asking me that is because probably you're trading it. So if you're trading it, just take it as a trade. You don't have to hold it just because I say you have to hold it. I've been holding ETC for a while, since it was in the top 5 for a long-term gains only. Do you see more for Qterm or ETC? Right now, Qterm. I hope that answers the question, Olaf. Do you think the next trend will be, lately it's masternodes, POS, coins, privacy, decentralized exchange coins? Yes, it does seem to be like that. Decentralized exchange coins, on the other hand, have to have a sharing economy model, meaning that if I use your exchange, there's a way for me to earn money. Now, the next thing which is popular is probably the social media coins. I'm not going to mention any, okay? But I'm just saying social media platform tokens tend to be very popular because when people contribute or use the platform, they're going to earn something. Same thing like POS and masternodes, right? People who do virtual mining, who are staking their coins, having their coins aging in their wallets. There are some who are gonna make sure that they're gonna be you're gonna be online, right? And not offline, and you can earn. I think those are the good ones, right? Because I think there has to still be a expense rather than you just doing nothing and putting your coins. Or if the expense is you staking your coins for an X given of time, that would be good as well. Yeah, Nav, I would say that I'd rather get it from my researcher because he has Nav and Nav exploded. So he's a little bit more familiar with Nav. What do you think about Status Coin, which was so much hype from the ICO, now it seems dead? Yeah, Fahan, unfortunately, since it did, then you know, you cannot touch it, right? Because already there's not much there's not much momentum, right? There's not much momentum. It's the same thing like what happened to ETC, man. You're talking about ETC is top 10, but the volume is less than 500 BTC. You know what I'm saying? We're talking about a billion market cap and you're having less than 1,000 BTC of trading. There's no range for us to trade, guys. There's no range. It's like getting you in and you're gonna be stuck. Okay, so okay, is there a better to hold or take profits and get back in? Is it better to hold? Wait, are you... Sorry, I didn't get your earlier question. What are you referring to? Strat overview. Stratus? Okay. Strat, I gave a call yesterday. Let me see. I gave a call yesterday in the Signals chat. I think... Okay, yes. I gave a very conservative level. 0.003 or 137 for Stratus. Thank you, Matt. Hi there, Alston. Okay, yeah, okay. Stratus, like I said, has okay volume, and you can trade the range, but don't get greedy. So, if you happen to enter at 0.00137 to 0.0014, that's your entry point. Okay. Now you need to take profit at 0.002 or 0.0024 if you're slightly on the greedy side. Sounds like I should dump ETC. Well, you are kind of okay. No. Okay, ETC seems to be at a new support level, so you might want to hodl a little bit more. But if you cannot take it, you can jump to OMG or you can buy some Qterm. Your choice. What do you think? Oh man, BitShares is currently like... Okay, Waves. I don't know, man. I was looking at Waves, but Waves, I think the hot coin now is Binance. Huh? Binance. Let's see. Oh wait. Oh Oh, Binance is on Binance. Okay, Binance is on Binance. Okay. I think for Binance, right? It seems to be the new hot coin, but I think I would rather deliver a once I have proper research on Binance, how the mechanisms function. I understand that the tokens give you some rebates to your trades or something like that. So I need to understand that a little bit better before I give a call. Thank you, Wade. Just doing my best. Should I sell Bitcoin Cash? Nope, you should not sell Bitcoin Cash. You should always have some. In fact, if you had Bitcoin in your wallet and you had the X same amount of Bitcoin Cash, you should have Bitcoin Cash already. Then buy Qtum on Bittrex. Okay, what is the best way to convert my ETC to OMG? The best way is, I think one of the chat members mentioned. So obviously sell your ETC back into BTC and then buy immediately. You have to really buy into Qtum. You can't waste time, because if you waste time, your BTC drops against your entry point, then you have a higher entry point, right? Just take it as if you're just changing money, like rupees to US dollars, US dollar to Sing. That's it, something like that, right? So hold my Ethereum for a little longer. Yep, I think you're referring to someone else. What about 0x? Not a fan of 0x, honestly. Sorry to say that. It's a marketplace, I understand. Okay, it's a marketplace for smart contracts, right? Because the developers were, I think, they are on Upworks. They understood the model. I'm not sure whether they were whether the founder was part of Upworks, as in help to develop Upworks, or they are just one of the Upworks providers or something like that. I'm not sure. Do you believe in Civic? Justin, yes, I do believe in Civic, but I need a little bit more time to understand completely what the model is. OMG is so strong because it's easy to understand. They already have a payment infrastructure, right? They already have clientele, transactions, network, transferring main or old school network to Bitcoin blockchain successfully on their own Omisego. I'm not sure whether it's an Omisego blockchain, but I think it's sorry, it's built on the Ethereum blockchain. Yes, it's built on the Ethereum blockchain. So what happens is that you are able to get so-called dividend for every transaction that goes through the network. This is what it's potentially going to do. Now, the problem with Omisego is that whenever there's an announcement, they just announce it. They're not going to have a roadmap and put it out there. I think they do have a roadmap. It's in the white paper. But it's not going to be like there for you, like for you to anticipate, right? That's how Omisego functions. When they deliver, and then suddenly the price will boom. So I decided just buy it. Like, I don't want to even like care about when and anticipate. I just want to hold it. Digital rupees? I have no idea what that is, man. I was in N shares at 180. Well, Alston, then all good, right? You can still have Neo Gas, but as you can see from Neo, okay, let's look at Neo, right? If you look at Neo is taking a big hit. One, because volume is exiting Neo, okay, because Neo will suffer the same thing. It's gonna have the coins. Okay, these coins have a momentum. You see, it had such a good run. Obviously, there's gonna be like heavy take profits. Okay, so since you have this heavy take profit, no problem, Justin. You're most welcome. So you're gonna have this heavy take profit, and then after that, there's gonna be this huge sell down. And yeah, the life is leaving it, people. The life is leaving it. But who knows, right? Maybe people who are loyal diehard fans will just hodl it for the gas and then keep reinvesting. Okay? So it's possible. But I'd rather you be more conservative on Neo rather than aggressive. Okay? Right now, if you're trading, stick to the stuff with the right momentum. Okay, so my top 5 coins. Qtum, OMG, Ethereum, Bitcoin, And the last one is so I have basically 5 coins in my portfolio: Qtum, OMG, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Yeah, that's all I have in my portfolio right now. I don't have much stuff, guys. Oh, I have BCC. Yep, BCC. And I have a Humanic that I bought a long time ago, but that was like, maybe I bought like $2,000 worth. Now it's, I don't know, like maybe 10k, something like that. So you know, it's okay. How can we help you as you are helping us? Okay, well, guys, it's fine, right? The whole idea is, you know, you all find that there's value in the channel. You know, you share, because there are a lot of people who are not, they're just shilling coins for this, because they're just shilling coins, right? So you have to make sure that when you buy your coins, just buy them and enjoy the returns, and make sure that you have a good take profit strategy. I think that will help me, because I know that I'm not wasting my time when I give you all levels, right? Because I want you all to profit, but at the same time I want you all to be smart with taking profits and always rebalancing your portfolio. Well, you can always join the Signals group in October, something like that. That kind of helps. But you know, I'm very thankful, because the Signals group is always full, guys. I only have 300 members, and it will always be 300 members until I think end of the year. I still want to keep it at 300 levels. For Crypto Capital Alliance exit scam, I'm not sure whether they exited. They're still kind of paying, but you know, I wouldn't hold my breath. All right, Nick, I wouldn't hold my breath. Like I said, I am an internet marketer. I do a little bit of internet marketing, but at the end of the day, you know, there was a disclaimer there. Was a scam, my friend. All programs that are high yield investment programs tend to always have this kind of element of risk involved, right? You never know. You put it out there, you hope for the best, it pays, great. But if it's not, the website is down. Okay, I gotta check it out later. Is it down? Let's check it out. Guys, I'm just showing, do not do anything. I'm not putting out any links. Oh wait, there's a spelling error. Is it down? Oh. Okay. Maybe it is down. Okay. Anyway, like I said, I do not do these kind of programs anymore, because at the end of the day, I have created my own products. I am responsible for these products. I will be having a website up in 2018, where I will have online courses for you all to learn about fundamental portfolio management and technical analysis, which is done by both me and Andy and my team. And at the same time also, there will be a members dashboard, newsletters, all these things. Okay, so I won't be associating myself with any internet marketing programs. I think just to play safe, right? I'm sure there are credible ones out there, but you know what? It's always just very challenging. Anyway, I am still in Bit Club Network, but I do not promote it very much. I find that Bit Club Network is, by the way, it's a real business, right? You can see them, you know, what do you call it? The Bit Club Network. They actually have, you can see them in the mining pool. You can see Bit Club. Yeah, so that's them. So Genesis Mining, on the other hand, which is of course someone else who's very popular, who is promoting it as well. He went to Iceland recently, and he showed the whole, you know, mining rig and everything like that. So it's always a secluded place in Iceland, right? So we hope for the best, and we hope that, you know, Genesis Mining will do well. Okay, So look at the CEO and the people behind NeoQtum. Yeah, you can. Ryan, do you hold nothing in ARC, Waves, IOTA, Civic? I hold no, in fact Civic I have not held. Stratus I already sold. Civic I still haven't bought in yet. ARC I sold at 2x gains. I had ARC at $1 and I sold it, and then now of course it's 3 times. You can't be always right? I mean, you can't always pick the high of the high. Waves I was in and then I was out. IOTA I've never personally bought yet. These are requests, man, Farhan. I don't always buy everything, right? 10x please. I did cover 10x. Crypto Craze, aren't you in the signals group? Like, you get like way, like, you know. Oh, maybe you've been away. Okay, never mind. I think you've been away. Haven't seen you around. Okay. 10x has been getting hammered by Monaco. Yeah, payment. Okay. But for pay, right? Looking at the charts of the 1 day, it's still like kind of quiet. I like these kind of charts. Okay, for just so you know, I like these kind of charts. Yeah, pay. Yeah, pay. Right? You wanted pay, right? 10x is pay, isn't it? Yeah. So there. So I like these kind of charts. Very, very quiet. Consolidated, and at the same time you can pick some up. Okay, Devon. Thanks for the tips, Ryan. You've already taught me so many lessons. Much appreciated. I know you don't usually buy into low cap coins, but is there any ICOs that have caught your eye? Tron, but no one got in. Tron caught my eye, but you know, no one could buy. So I'm not sure whether they're going to open another round, or I think it's going to be to exchange, right? Tron is like an entertainment platform. So yeah. Buy or sell points for LBC, library coin. Oh yeah, Kyber and Tron, that's right. Yeah, Kyber network. Yes, my researcher has been shilling it to me. Kyber, yeah. So but you guys can pick it up. Would you rather buy Pay or Monaco? Monaco is way too hot. Go for Pay. Monaco is way too hot. Go for Pay. Oh man, Monaco to me, I don't want to say it's a good project or scam. It came out from nowhere. I do not know the project, but it's another kind of payment processor kind of thing. So I'm not sure how the heck did it get so much volume in such a short span of time. I do not know. Okay, LBC, okay. Last one, guys. I need to go to see the doctor. Oh. Okay. Now, LBC is it's a content platform, right? If I remember, it's a content platform. It's a content sharing platform, and I think you can earn. Okay, I do not know exactly whether is it fully functional. If it's fully functional and you can earn, I think it's okay to kind of pick it up. But you have to also take note how many users are there and is the network growing. You have to know how to validate that. Now, another one is Particle. Yeah, man, I don't know how are they doing, man. I lost I bought a Particle a very long time ago when it was SDC Shadow Cash, and I lost 7 grand on that. So it has left a bad taste in my mouth, man. But you know what? It's trading. We win, we lose. And you know, the days before I bought, after that it got delisted. It kind of like was gonna get delisted because it was from SDC to Particle. So they did like a token swap or something. No problem, man, Jake. You know I can take some heavy hits. What are your thoughts on ADX? ADX. Is it ADX? For the LBC, the person who was asking about LBC, yeah. LBC is already at one of the low points. Picking it up is fine, right? About exiting, you have to make sure that you have to see some momentum or some major announcements from the team. That's the only thing that can save this, because the market will move so quickly because there are so many cryptocurrencies. If it's not hot, no one will hear about it. What are your thoughts about ADX? ADX. Still a very new coin. It's okay. The hype is kind of gone. Volumes are dropping, with the bears taking over at the moment. I only know technicals, guys. I'm not someone who checks the who knows every single coin. Currently now at a support level of 0.00026881, and it has a somewhat semi support at 0.00024775. Okay. Thoughts on Bitcoins. Now, I don't have any thoughts on Bitcoins. Yesterday, I kind of said that the team was not very credible. So I don't want to... Any chance to join your channel? Yeah, okay, you can join the Telegram chat. But if you're referring to the Signals group is already full. So what I will do is... wait, let me see. Email us at admin@cryptogrinders.com. I will put it in the description. Admin@cryptogrinders.com. Oops. What happened? Oh, okay. Sorry. Haha. Sorry. Email us at admin@cryptogrinders.com if you're interested to be on the waiting list for October. September is already full, okay, for Signals group. But in the meantime, you can join the Telegram chat, and when there are spaces opening up from our existing group, we will let you know in the Telegram chat first, followed by the YouTube channels. What is a Signals group? Signals group is where we deliver the signals, guys. Buy now, sell now. Yeah, Farhan has already explained it. By the way, Farhan, thank you so much for always coming online, man. You're really, really very helpful. Farhan is also very active in Telegram and also in our Discord chat as well. Very, very nice chat. But please don't spam him, please. You know, he's just a member, okay? He's not even a moderator. He's just very nice. He's always just helping out. Oh man, dude, this hairstyle is bad. Like, really bad. Like, I need to go and cut my hair, man. Okay? Okay, guys, it's already 1 hour. I think we have to end the stream. Thank you so much for watching. God bless. I hope that we can have more news and then we can make more money going forward. Yeah. Take care, guys.